Hey guys, Tony here. Wanted to give you guys a quick update on GameStop or GME for the ALGO update. Currently, as of right now, we aren't seeing any certain plays for the algo. There hasn't really, nothing has really showed up as far as like a signal or as far as anything. Um, as of right now, the algo is actually holding one position. So far, the return on it is 76%. Um, these are just positions that the algorithm actually just buys by itself. But as of right now, it is not. There doesn't seem to really be any big plays for GameStop right now. If there is anything in the future, I'll definitely let you guys know. But like I said, as of right now, Algo's holding one position, and there doesn't seem to really be um, any recent signal. I mean, the most recent one was December 2nd. Before that was October 28th, and before that was October 2nd. I mean, you guys can see the run-ups both here, and here. The only one that actually took a small miss was on December 2nd. So after that actual initial bullish signal hit, you guys can see that we went up, went down, and then popped all the way back up. So GME, it seems like it's doing a pretty good job at predicting. And we can, I don't want to say we can resource on this, all that much, but it's doing a good job at letting us know what to do. So I'll definitely update you guys in the future if I see anything, or if you guys have any plays that you want to see from me or any tickers you want me to look up. Definitely always let me know. Leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.